Good morning once again, Bradley School family. Good morning. Today is Wednesday already, September 30th, 2020. It's the last day of September. Tomorrow begins the month of Halloween. You know, ever since I was a kid, I'd start to get excited around Halloween, and I still do today. There are 2 full moons during the month of October this year, the first one being tomorrow. Hopefully the clouds will be gone and we'll be able to see the full moon. This full moon has a name like the other 12 or 13 full moons during the year. This is called the harvest moon. This name goes back to when I was a kid, before there was electricity. And as farmers, we used to use the light reflected off the moon from the sun to harvest the crops. Even at night, as it got dark, during this harvest full moon, we could see what we were doing. That was many years ago. The next full moon will be on Halloween itself, and it's named the Blue Moon. It's named the Blue Moon because the extra full moon in a year, the 13th full moon, is always called the Blue Moon. All right, now I need you to put on your little kid imaginations because we're traveling to a village in New York State's Hudson Valley. There's a very scary story about this little town, and the author is actually buried here in the town cemetery. Some of the characters in this movie, if you remember, are Ichabod Crane, Brom Bones, and Katrina Van Tassel. We are in the town of Sleepy Hollow. All right, hours are from 8:30 to 2:30. It's a full day. Lunch will be mini corn dogs. I hope you all had a good night's sleep last night and a good breakfast this morning. Remember that every one of you are wonderful. You really are wonderful. We're not perfect, but you're wonderful. The character trait for the month of September has been considerate. And I think by now we all know what being considerate means because we're all doing it. I see it everywhere I go. People are taking other people's feelings into account. It is a wonderful way to live. Now listen to this. Today is National Make Up Your Mind Day. From what to eat, what to watch on TV, what to listen to on the radio, which book to read, that's a good one. Picking out a good book, that's great. We have to choose. That's called making up your mind. We do that with our actions too. We've got to decide, are we going to do this or are we going to do that? I've said before, it's important that you choose and make up your mind, especially when it comes to actions, because then you own your actions. There are no excuses. You own your actions and all the consequences, good or bad, that come with it. Now, you'll be doing that, making up your mind for the rest of your life. So practice making good choices for yourself. And not just for yourself, but everyone around you. Like I said, you're going to be doing it for the rest of your lives. The word of the day, believe it or not, is diggity. It's a slang word for the word serious or the phrase no kidding. So you're going to start hearing me responding, no diggity, or used as a question, no diggity, meaning are you for real? No diggity? All right, back to old man speak. As always, please remember to follow all of the stay healthy precautions so that we don't spread germs to each other. I can't tell you how important that is. Ask your staff if you have any questions about keeping yourself and keeping others healthy. Have a great day, Bradley School family. You're very wonderful. You're very special. And like always, let's be kind to one another.